What's good, Sumolings? I'm Jay with Appsumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're looking at Maekersuite, the AI-powered video platform that analyzes millions of videos to help you create SEO-friendly scripts in 15 minutes. It's tough to keep creating high-quality video content with limited time and budget. Luckily for you, Maekersuite analyzes millions of hours of content to help you create SEO-friendly scripts in minutes. Let me show you how to use the research feature. Just add a keyword or phrase. Then click Start Exploration and Maekersuite will provide 5 of the best video examples related to your topic. You can prompt the AI to generate new ideas and video titles or comb through the data yourself. Maekersuite's AI also generates a 4-quadrant chart that breaks down which high-performing videos are also highly relevant. When you click on a specific topic on the chart, you'll see stats on volume, engagement, and related video content. If you're geeking out about that, you're gonna love this. When you toggle over from the bubble graph, you'll see another graph. This one collects data from every single video that covers your topic, including interconnected subtopics. If you see a line between videos, that means they're recommending each other. If you're still watching, then this is your sign to buy Maekersuite today. Unless you don't like saving time and money on video production, no judgment. Let's check out the Analyze Video feature. To get started, you just need to add the video URL. Maekersuite will instantly pull info on the video's performance, sentiment score, and watch intensity over time. Don't forget to click on Advanced Insights to get the transcript and topic outline. That way, you can break the video down beat by beat. With the research and analysis out of the way, it's time to write your script. Well, actually, it's time for Maekersuite's AI to do that for you. Just share your video brief, choose the tone, and set the goal, length, and target audience. Then just click Generate Outline and Maekersuite will create an entire outline that you can edit. Once you've revised the outline, click Write Script and get to editing. Just highlight any section to pull up your AI toolbar. You can ask the AI to check grammar and spelling, change paragraph length, translate, or change the tone. With each script, the AI will even generate talking points, tags, and a general description. And if you're writing a script from scratch, you can still use the AI toolbar to edit everything. Okay, if you're still watching, then you need to grab this lifetime deal on Maekersuite. But do it fast, because this deal won't be around for much longer. Click Buy Now to start using Maekersuite today.